works. The 2015, it's a Chevy Caprice police vehicle, PPV they call it. And we did a headlight last time, but he also mentioned that his windshield washer pump doesn't work, so he bought a new one. I'm going to show you how we can do that replacement of it. Alright, so we got Chevy Caprice police vehicle, PPV they call it. His pump for the windshield washer fluid gone bad. He bought it's not exactly made for this vehicle, because the original one has a plug here. This one obviously have just 2 wires. So how you can get to it is pop the hood. Under this latch, you see this black channel here, and toward to this left-hand side, or it's on passenger side, there is a pump. This pump is mounted like this. So you just simply pull, and then the right way to do it is to remove the whole bumper and remove this. We're not doing that shit. We're just gonna pull this out, and once you pull it, a lot of liquid will pump out. So right away you gotta put this back in, because all the windshield washer fluid trying to come out. So we're just gonna pull. Can you pull that out and quickly pull this one in? So that's the one. Let's pull this, push this back in. So as you can see, wait, we gotta put this in. Do me a favor, put this on onto that. So we're gonna need 2 people, because as I said, once you remove that pump, the washer fluid squirts out. So you're gonna put this in, push all the way in. Now you're gonna put that. You stick that in. Now the pump is in, and as I said, this has plug, the new one doesn't. So we're just gonna cut this and splice onto these 2 here. Gotta find out which one is plus and minus. So we just put test light on it, and this white one is a plus, black one is a minus. So we're gonna put the white over to blue red wire.
Wanna try before?
No, print it. It should be fine.
Hey.
Okay, it's good. Hang on, let me see, hang on. I tried. Now something's locked. Right, the line was clogged up, but we found out there's no water. Putting some water in there. Nice.
Yeah.
Let's try that. Okay, it works.